Alright, Swaddy Cup, and welcome. You are here with Lord Gifty, and there's a problem in front of us that we need to solve. Three consecutive even numbers, by the way, that gives sum of 30. What are those three numbers? Let's find it out. Now, even numbers are something that are divisible by 2. So 2, 4, 6, and so on, right? 6. My 6 is very bad. Why? Okay, this is how you write 6, right? So three consecutive numbers. So I don't know what are those numbers. I'm gonna make assumptions here. Let's the first number be x, and I am sure that the second number will be x plus 2. How? Imagine if it's 2, the next even number will be 2 plus 2, 4. So that's how you make assumption. And the third number will be x plus 4, right? So this is all assumptions. We think of a number. Let's imagine that the first number is x. That means second number should be x plus 2, and the third should be x plus 4, right? So if you add them up all, it gives you 30. That means we gotta do something like this: x plus first number plus second number plus third number. So this is what we have, and we can solve this now. X plus x and plus x, you got 3x. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you have to move the 6 on the other side. It is positive, and when it goes to the other side, it will become the negative symbol. 3x. 30 minus 6 is equal to 3x, and 30 minus 6, you guys should know, should be 24, equal 3x. And 24 divided by 3, which I think you guys should know, 3x. 3 was in multiplication. If you want to move it to the next side, it should be in the division. So 24 divided by 3, that means x is how many? 8. 8. And the second number will be x plus 2, which is 10. And the third number, can you guys let me know in the comments what is the third number? 8, 10, and what it is. Right, if you got it correct, I will pin your comment, man. Great job.